That's part of the keyword feature. Let me show you a little bit more. If you wanted to, let's say, okay, I have this keyword here. I don't want to follow any of these people, these 117 people left to follow. I can click this link. It'll delete those 117 people out of the database so we do not follow them. If you want to delete the entire keyword itself, you can click on the delete link here. That'll delete the keyword out of the database. It will delete all the users for that keyword that have not been followed yet. It will keep everybody still in the database that you've already followed. And it'll do all of its checks to make sure that they followed you back, so on and so forth. What happens also is you have all these stats for each one of the keywords in here. If you scroll down on the right hand side, you'll see the auto process is on, last run date and time. Here I see I reached a following limit. It'll run approximately again at this time. And here's all these stats. It'll show me all the stats, and this is for all the keywords, and all the people that have been gathered via the keywords. I've gathered 26,426 people, followed so far 23,964 of them. Left to follow 2,460. I've checked this many people. This is how many have followed me back, and here's my percentage. So this gives you a good overall view of everybody. If I wanted to see the people that I've gathered, and it will show me the person's name. If I put my mouse over it, it'll even give me a little text here. Retrieve this user, you know, at this date, and the keyword that it used. Have we followed them yet? Follow back check. Okay, haven't checked it yet because we haven't followed them yet. And if we did follow the person, we did the follow back check, and they followed us back, there'll be a link to be able to send them a direct message within our program. You can actually have it show you by date, sequential, you know, ascending, descending, by username, you know, if they're following you, yes or no. There's no. Let me find some people that are following back. I can show 50 per page, 100 per page, 250 per page. There's so many different ways to actually show you all these users. Let's go back to keywords. Again, to add a new keyword, and you can only have 10 keywords, you just type in your new keyword, hit update. Once you hit 10 keywords, this add new keyword will not be here anymore. So I will put in test keyword just to show you. I'm at 10 keywords. Information's not there anymore. I can't add anymore. I can click delete. It deletes that keyword out of the database. Then it allows me to add more. Now keep in mind that this works alongside of the AFF feature, and I'll get to that feature in another tutorial. But you're going to want to watch both of them. AFF feature is something that we're very proud of. We are the first people to come out with this feature. But the users that are gathered in the database, it puts them in a database sequentially. And what that means is in order. So if you found other people via the AFF feature, the first people it found are the first people it'll try to follow. So just keep that in mind if you're sitting here stating, oh, I don't see my keyword users, you know, it's not following them anymore. Why not? Well, that could be because you're using both keywords and AFF feature, and it's following the users that were gathered via AFF. So just keep that in mind. If you have any questions concerning this feature, do not hesitate to contact us at support@pathfinderits.com.